Good morning. Today we will study the glands associated with the male reproductive organ. Actually, this is the point which is from the structure of human male reproductive organ, standard 12, chapter 3. There are three different glands associated with the male reproductive organ. The first is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle produces alkaline fluid which constitutes 60% volume of semen. Alkaline fluid which is secreted by seminal vesicle will contain fructose, prostaglandin and clotting protein. These three chemicals have a specific function. Just like fructose provides nutrition or nourishment to the sperm. We already know that seminal vesicle, prostate gland and corpus gland are associated with the male reproductive organ, and these are the parts which attaches the urethra where the sperm came from by the vas deferens. So a sperm get stored for a little moment of time in the seminal fluid. So fructose of the seminal fluid provide the nourishment of the sperm. Second is prostaglandin. Actually it is hormone which help in uterine contraction for making path to ampulla. Actually prostaglandin is secreted by seminal vesicle of male, but it functions in the female reproductive tract where it contracts the uterus, and by contracting the uterus it actually make its path up to ampulla where the fertilization takes place. The third one is clotting protein. It is also secreted by seminal vesicle. Clotting protein helps in the coagulation of semen. Actually the clotting protein will function or not function, it depends on the future of a sperm or the semen. If semen is injected into the female vagina, then clotting protein will not function. But if the semen is released in outer environment, then definitely clotting protein will function and it helps in coagulation. That means clotting of semen, clot कर देता है, उसको जमा देता है. The second is prostate gland. Prostate gland produces milky and slightly alkaline fluid, okay, which constitutes 25% of semen. What is semen? Semen is the liquid which is viscous or dense fluid ejaculated from the male penis. This prostatic fluid contains citric acid. Here again citric acid will provide the nourishment to the sperm. Second, it also releases enzymes like phosphatase, amylase, pepsinogen and prostaglandin. These all enzymes will activate the sperm to swim. Actually a sperm has to travel a distance of about 18 centimeter. 6 centimeter about vaginal canal, then cervix, then about 12 centimeters of uterus. Then it reaches to ampulla where the fertilization takes place. So it requires a lot of energy for swimming. These enzymes like phosphatase, amylase, pepsinogen and prostaglandin help it to swim. The third gland associated with the male reproductive organ is corpus gland. It is also known as bulbourethral gland. It produces alkaline fluid, and this alkaline fluid is especially required there because it deactivates the effect of urine in urethra. Actually we know that the male penis is meant for two functions. Number one, for the copulation or ejaculating the semen, and number two, for releasing the urine also. So it may possible that the urethra has certain amount of urine or certain part of urine. So the release of corpus gland will help to deactivate those urinal part in the urethra, so that the semen coming through that only pathway will not be affected. In this way, this protect the sperm from being destroyed also. These are the three important associated gland with the male reproductive system. It is very important for the point of view of examination. Thank you.